Hello.
Hello, konnichiwa. Yay!
Okay. Can you say hello? Yeah. Can you wave here? Okay. I'll do it. So, where are we today?
shodai bio nature.
And why are we here?
Yuki's birthday.
Your birthday, Yuki. So we got her a little cake. I'll undo it. Oh. Ooh. Oh, there's candles already here. Wow, there's candles.
あっちの方がいいよね。可愛いから。別にどっちでもいいじゃん。
Wow. I'll take. We'll probably. Do we need scissors? Just two.
いっちゃん壊したらもうあれだよ。
Oh, do we use scissors?
いっちゃん。
Or to cut it later. See, come inside. Very nice scissors. Okay. Wait, you gotta blow out candles first. Okay. Wow, look at that, Yuki. Wow, smells very nice. Your birthday cake. Wait.
Eddie, you can take off the paper.
Oh, this one? Okay. Do you guys want to put in these?
Yes.
Good job.
いっちゃん、もう食べないでね。もう食べないでね。
Okay, Yuki, you can get the itchy. Oh,
大きくぎる。
you got something in your mouth
ちょう
already?
だいちょうだいちょうだい。いいよ。じゃあもうちゃんここにつける。どうしようかな。ここにつける？
Too big? Do you want to peel it out?
ここにつける。ここ？
That's your
バルンバルン。
This one.
バルンバルン。
Okay. Just hang on. Yuki, I'm going to give her a little bit to eat now. Yuki, wait. Yuki, Yuki, go.
そこでもいいよ。
Here you
こ
go.
こでもいいじゃん。
Try this. Put. Thank you.
で、
Oh, shit.
初めてだね。
Okay, it's tasty. There's some more there. Look, try this. So sheets. Yeah. Okay, so we should put this here. Okay. Oh, she wants more. Okay, wait, please. There you go. You need to eat it slowly, Yuki.
最後もつけないとね。
We'll just do like these two, three. Okay, there's probably enough candles, eh? So you ready? Are you ready?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sock Yuki.
Happy birthday to you.
Remember? Okay. Go for it, blow it out. You're meant to blow it out, Yuki. Yeah, that's it. I'll take this one.
You take another one?
Yeah, take them out. Yuki-chan. Yuki, give us some more food. Give us some more food.
Yay. Yay. 待って待って待って。はなちゃんも大きいやつでしょ。スーパーでちょうだい。はなちゃんも大きいやつでしょ。
But she's too hungry.
スーパーでちょうだい。一体のあるからね、はな。ブルーンと一体のあるからね。
You're too hungry, aren't you, Yuki? Okay. Wow. Okay. So, okay. Are you ready, Yuki? Okay. Now we can eat the cake properly. Okay. There's a little happy birthday, Yuki. 1 year old. Wow, this is a really nice cake. Oh. Okay, look, you got your cake. Yeah. Okay. Okay, give Yuki some more cake. That's nice. Okay, that looks messy. Oh, you need forks, sorry.
Thank you.
Okay, this is going to be a surprise. Oh, you got this one. You got that one. Yeah. Yeah, go for it. Okay. 3, set, go. Are you ready? Set. Okay, slice a little bit like this. You know, go like this.
Yummy.
You eat it already.
See? Got that.
It's very nice taste.
Fish taste.
It's fresh taste. It's what I call fresh taste.
Look at that. Oishi.
No. Very nice fresh taste. We got more here. That's really good because the taste goes on. It gets nicer. You know what I mean? The full flavours come out. What do you think? It's tasty. It's the nicest birthday cake we've had. Definitely. Sorry I tell the other cake shops, but this is way better. Really nice. I like it. I understand the taste that you can keep eating. Delicious. It's delicious. It's sticky. See. Actually, this shop's so delicious. I'm going to leave the link to the website underneath the video. It's really good. Really tasty. Everyone's got to try this. I want to eat more, but you girls want a little bit more?
Yes, please.
Let's try some drink anyway. Delicious. Oh my god, that's just different. That's ginger ale. But it's really different. Really nice. Amazing. It's amazingly different. This shop is incredible. I came back here because the other stuff was really nice. And we had like some macaroons, and we had some ice cream. It was so good. Yuki. Oh, she wants to drink. You can't drink. Yuki, try this. Did you touch the cake? Go for it. Use the cake. If you want to complain, today is your birthday, go for it. But don't put it all in your mouth. Here you go, I'll cut some of this up a little bit. Here you go, look. Here you go. It is her birthday cake after all. I'll take this one, talk to you later. What was that? No, let me cut this, let me cut it up a little bit. Just drop it on the floor. Oh, okay. That's all good. Is it delicious?
Are you asking to me or?
I'm asking to anybody who wants to listen. But I was asking Yuki. You can eat that one.
最初はなんか甘かったけど、なんかストローを一番下にちょっとしたらちょっと酸っぱくなった。
That cake is amazing.
最初に飲んでみるとちょっと美味しいけど、
I'm so surprised.
ずっと飲んでみるとちょっと酸っぱくなっちゃって。
Oh my goodness. A sheep. Yeah. Do you want another little bit of cake, girls?
Yes, please. Thank you. なんかフルートがないかと。ありがとう。
So good, eh?
出るよ。
Another look.
次は本当に言えた。
The first mouthful I had, I was like, it was good. But then it just kept getting better and better and better.
太ったんだ。Daddy, she dropped the cake on the floor.
Why, Yuki? You're not allowed to drop that cake on the floor. Okay, so say bye-bye.
Yeah. だからバイバイ。
Bye-bye, Yuki. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. What's happened to Yuki today? Why, Yuki? What's happened? It's your birthday. Well, late birthday.
Just a little bit late.
Okay. That was a good try anyway. Best birthday cake.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Yuki. I can't believe you're 1 year old. Just seemed like a year ago she was born.
Bye-bye.
It was a year ago she was born. That's my jokes. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let's try one more time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, so Yuki-chan, it's your birthday, so you're growing up. Now it's time for responsibilities. Okay? It's time for you to be more responsible with cake when you're eating. Because otherwise we're going to do eating videos. Okay, Yuki, so you're going to be more responsible now, you're one, with your eating? You want to be more responsible now? Okay, good girl. And you're doing a pretty good job. She's already eating with a spoon sometimes, so that's good. So just be a bit more tidy, eh? So we'll show the people as you're growing up how you eat, eh? This is the interesting videos. Okay. Do you want to say goodbye to everyone? It was your birthday. Already not listening to me. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay. You just want to keep eating more. That means more, Mama. She's a little bit hungry. Wow, nice. Okay. Bye-bye.